finding solid ground is essential. What is financial stability? It's a question many of us ponder. Financial stability. It's not about being rich or having an abundance of wealth. It's about having peace of mind and feeling secure in your financial situation. It means knowing you can pay your bills on time without stress. You have money set aside for emergencies, ensuring you're prepared for the unexpected. You're building a secure future, planning for retirement, and other long-term goals. Financial stability is different for everyone, as each person's situation is unique. Your income, expenses, and financial goals are unique to you. That's why it's important to define what stability means for you personally. What do you want to achieve with your finances? Write down your financial goals clearly and specifically. This will keep you motivated and focused on your path. Financial stability doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process. It takes time, effort, and dedication, but it's worth it in the end. When you're financially stable, you experience less stress and more peace. You have more freedom to pursue your dreams and passions. Take charge of your finances today and start your journey to stability. Start by learning the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. You can do this. I believe in you. Your future self will thank you. Your blueprint to success: budgeting basics. Understanding how to manage your finances is crucial for achieving your financial goals. A budget is a plan for your money. It outlines how you will allocate your income towards expenses, savings, and investments. It helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you don't overspend. This helps you make informed decisions about your spending, allowing you to prioritize what's important. Creating a budget might seem scary, but it doesn't have to be. With a little effort, it can become a simple and rewarding habit. Start by tracking your spending for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your financial habits. Write down everything you buy, no matter how small. Once you know where your money is going, you can start making adjustments. Identify areas where you can save. Look for areas where you can cut back. Are there subscriptions you don't use? Can you reduce your utility bills? Can you eat out less? Find cheaper entertainment options. These small changes can add up. Even small changes can make a big difference over time. Consistency is key. There are many budgeting methods out there, from the envelope system to zero-based budgeting. Find one that works for you. Experiment and see which method fits your lifestyle best. The key is to be consistent. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Track your spending and stick to your budget as much as possible. This will help you stay on track and reach your financial goals. Saving: small steps, big rewards. Every little bit counts. Saving money is essential for financial stability. It helps you manage unexpected expenses. It provides a safety net for emergencies, ensuring you're prepared for life's surprises. It helps you reach your financial goals. Start small and stay consistent. Even saving a few dollars a week adds up over time. Make saving automatic to build a habit. Set up a direct deposit from your checking account to your savings account. This makes saving effortless. Think of saving as paying yourself first. Prioritize your future. Before you pay your bills or buy anything else, put money into savings. Set realistic savings goals that you can achieve. Don't try to save too much too soon. Small, consistent efforts lead to big rewards. There are many different ways to save. Explore various methods to find what suits you best. Find what works best for you. Tailor your saving strategy to your lifestyle. The important thing is to start saving today. Every journey begins with a single step. Your future self will thank you. The effort you put in now will pay off later. Section 4. Investing: growing your money for the future. Investing is essential for building long-term wealth. It helps your money grow faster than inflation. Investing can seem complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Start by learning the basics. There are many resources available online and in libraries. There are many different investment options. Choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Investing does involve risk, but over the long term, the stock market has consistently trended upwards. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Section 5. Taking control: managing debt wisely. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial stability. It can feel overwhelming, but you can take control of your debt. The first step is to understand your debt. Make a list of all your debts. Include the interest rates and minimum payments. Create a plan to pay off your debt. Start by paying off high-interest debt first. Consider debt consolidation. This can simplify your payments and potentially lower your interest rates. Seek help if you need it. There are nonprofit credit counseling agencies that can help you negotiate with creditors. You are not alone. Millions of people struggle with debt. There is help available. Section 6. You've got this: achieving financial freedom. Financial stability is a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks along the way, but don't give up. Every step you take towards financial stability is a step in the right direction. Educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, articles, and websites. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. Take charge of your financial future. Start by implementing the tips and tricks outlined in this essay. You can achieve financial freedom. I believe in you.